Hi there, Joe here from ShortPoint, and today I want to show you our new Steps design element. The Steps design element is great for visualizing any kind of sequential process that you want to show. In this case, maybe we have an onboarding section on our HR site, and I want to show the onboarding steps. So I'm going to start by clicking the plus button here to add a new design element. Here is that steps element. From here, once we add the steps element, you can see that there are a few default steps defined for us. Of course, we can go in and update each of the individual steps, add or remove steps as well. On each step, we can choose what icon to display, change the title, add in a different description, or add a link. So, for example, if you had a form that should be completed as part of this onboarding process, maybe I add a link over to that form here. We can also control the linking option. Does it open up in the same window or a new window? Beyond configuring the individual steps, we may also want to change the design of this steps element. You can do so by going over to the design tab here. We've got a few preset styles that you can choose from. So there's a solid rounded, a solid circle, or similarly a rounded outline and outline circle. We can also adjust the size of these elements. I could change this to medium if I want it to be a little bit bigger. We can adjust the color of the design element. This is going to come from the theme builder, so you'll see your colors available here on your site. There is a light and a dark mode. This dark mode is going to look a lot nicer if you have a dark background. You can see we can turn that on here. Again, if we had a dark background, that would look a bit nicer. For now, we're going to leave it on the light. And then finally, the last design option here is to apply random colors. So if you wanted to have a little bit of a gradient, for example, showing up throughout your steps here, you can see what that setting looks like there. Let us know what you use the steps element for and your thoughts on it overall.